Hello kids, welcome back to Educational Learning channel. Today we learn numbers. Kids colors name red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, yellow ochre color. Kids, now we coloring numbers. Kids, first we draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color. O-N-E 1. Kids, again use red color and draw 2. T-W-2. And again use red color. Kids, now draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use yellow color. T-H-R-W 3. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 4. F-O-U-R 4. And again use yellow color. Kids, now draw 5. The numbers of 5 and use blue color. F-I-V-E 5. Kids, again use blue color and draw 6. S-I-X 6. The numbers of 6. Kids, now draw 7. The numbers of 7 and use green color. S-E-V-E and 7. The numbers of 7. Kids, again use green color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. The numbers of 8. Kids, now draw 9. The numbers of 9 and use black color. N-I-N-E 9. The numbers of 9. 10. The numbers of 10. T-E and 10. And again use black color. Kids, now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids, now draw 13. The numbers of 13 and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids, now draw 15. The numbers of 15 and use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 16. The numbers of 16. Kids, now it is 17. The numbers of 17 and use blue color. Blue color. The numbers of 17 and again use blue color. Blue color. Kids, now draw 18. The numbers of 18 and again use blue color. Blue color. Kids, now draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use green color. Green color. Kids, again use green color and draw 20. The numbers of 20 and again use green color. Green color. The numbers of 20. Kids, now draw 21. The numbers of 21 and use black color. Black color. $22. The numbers of 22. Kids, now draw 23. The numbers of 23 and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw 24. The numbers of 24. Kids, today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.